Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa. In this video, I'll be showing a product from IKEA which is Stoense, the rug, which is a low pile rug. There are two different type of rug which are low and high. This is a low one, and the price is around 6,000. So in the low pile rug, you will see the material which is adjacent to each other. So this is basically closely adjacent, um, rug, rug closely knitted rug, and the quality, this you can basically use it in your bedroom, living room, and multi-purpose rug as well. You can use it for multi-purpose. This is a low one, so you will see the rug materials are quietly um, these are the shorter carpet fibers, and these are tighter loops. So that is a um, low pile meaning of low pile is that tighter loops. And you can see the quality here, it is knitted quite well, and the loops are tightly coupled. You can see each one adjacent to each other. In the high pile you will find that little different. You will find it not closely coupled, but quite a bit with a distance as well. So different colors, it comes with a gray and a off white, and this is 133 into 195 centimeter, the dimension. And this one is kind of 195 is the length, and width is 133. Thickness is 18 millimeter, and area it will cover is 2.59 meter square, which is 27 square feet, 27.8. Pile thickness is 15 mm. I'll put this in the description also. So this is a good rug which you can consider for your living room. You do not need to wash it, but you need to dry wash it, and you can consider it for your living room, bedroom also. Purchase link will be on the description section. If you like this video, do hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.